Today we are going to discuss the topic from the subject physics. From this physics, we discuss the chapter semiconductor. From the chapter semiconductor, we discuss about the logic gates. We discuss about the topic logic gates. What is these gates? That we have to discuss. In various electronic circuits, there are certain uses like switching circuits. These logic gates are the switching circuits. To discuss about these logic gates, we have to discuss few topics. From that, different types of the gates, different uses of gates. Those uses we have to discuss from the topic logic gates. These logic gates are the switching circuits. These logic gates are the switching circuits. Into these switching circuits, first of all, we discuss about the signal. There are two types of the signal. Those signals are analog and digital. The signal which are continuously varying. The signal which are continuous varying are called as the analog signal. For example, the sinusoidal wave. Here we say that in this case, these waves are continuously varying. These are called as the analog. Those type of signals are called as the analog signal. Then there are the second type of the signals. Those are called as the digital signal. In digital signal, there is one more point, that these signals are varying in the two stages. In the two states, on or off, or we say high and low, or 0 volt or 5 volt. In this case, there are only two stages. Those signals are called as the digital signals. Now, in our daily life, you are using number of electronic signals, like in TV signals. Those signals are digital signals. We have to discuss about these digital signals as well as analog signal. Now, first of all, we have to discuss about few definitions which are important to study about this topic logic gates. First of all, we have to discuss the topic digital circuit. Which topic? Digital circuit. In digital circuit, electronic circuit that handles only digital signal, a circuit that handles only digital signal, are called as the digital circuit. In these digital circuits, we have to discuss about the logic gates, and the branch in which we study about this digital circuit is called as digital electronics. Is called as digital electronics. The branch of electronics. What is digital electronics? The branch of electronics in which we study about the digital signals as well as digital circuit is called as the digital electronics. Now, we comes to our topic logic gates. We have our topic logic gates. Logic gates are the circuits in which there are into the circuit. Suppose this one is a circuit. In a short form, we write CKT. In the circuit, there are one or more inputs to the circuit. One or more input, which gives only one output. In a electronic circuit, in a digital electronic circuit, there are only one or more input only one output are called as this circuit. This is called as the logic gate. Now understand about logic gate. What is logic gate? Yes? Now a circuit which has input single output is called as a digital circuit. Now logic gates. These logic gates are also called as the switching circuits. These logic gates are called as the switching circuits. This switching circuit gives the relationship between the input and output. There are possible conditions are used into this. These logic gates are the switching circuits in which we discuss about the inputs and outputs. As per our requirement, we design this number of circuits. In those circuits, these logic gates are used. Here, these logic gates gives us the information or relationship between input and output. Relationship between input and output, where the logic gate having only two conditions. One is high at the output. There is two conditions, high or low. High or low. High condition in some textbook, in some books, reference books, sometimes this high is represented also by 1 or it is also represented by the condition on. In some textbook, it is given the low condition is represented by the symbol 0 or off state or off state. This one is above the logic. Logic gates are used in these two states. Here we say that in digital there are only two stages. One is high, another one is low. It is conditioned as 1 or 0, on or off. In this way, we have to study about these logic gates. To study these logic gates, there are five or six gates. 5 gates we discuss here. These gates are, first of all, NOT gate, then AND gate, OR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, and NOR gate. Also there is exclusive OR gate. These are the different types of the gates. Now when we discuss about these gates, to discuss these gates, we have to define few terms that we have required into this explanation. Those terms are, first of all, the symbol. Now we have to discuss those steps. In those steps, first step is a symbol. What is symbol? Symbol is a representation. Symbol is a representation or indication of the gate. What is symbol? Symbol is a representation of the corresponding gate. Now there is another step we have to discuss. In that step, we discuss about the Boolean equation. Boolean equation. What does this Boolean equation give? This Boolean equation gives us the relationship between input as well as output. What does this Boolean equation give? It is a mathematical statement. It is a mathematical statement which gives the relationship between input and output. Then next part is a truth table. Here we have to discuss the next part, which is the truth table. In this section, we have to discuss each type of the gate. First of all, we discuss about the NOT gate. Now, we have to discuss one by one all these gates. How gates are solved, that we discuss here. Let's see. First, we discuss about the first gate. That gate will be the NOT. Logically, this NOT gate is represented by this symbol. One is triangle and another is oval at the other side. This one is represented as a NOT gate. This NOT gate is also called as the inverter. Inverter means if you have high output, it changes to low. If there is low output, it changes to high. Understand? That means this gate is also called as the inverter. It having only one input. Let's consider it having only one input is X and output is Y. Input is X, output is Y. Therefore, in a Boolean equation, we write like this: Y is equal to X complement. Y is equal to X complement. Understand? Now we have to discuss the truth table of this first gate. Into this first gate, there is how many inputs are there? Only one input, which is that X, and output is only one output, that is 1. Here, into this section, when we say that input is 1 or 0, input is 1 or 0. Let's consider how we solve this. Y is equal to, here we say that Y is equal to X complement. If we take X value as a 0, X value as a 0. In this step, we substitute 0 complement. 0 complement. 0 complement means inverter of 0. There are only two stages, 0 and 1. 0 complement is 1. Therefore, we write at the output it is 1. Understand about this? Now, there is another input is 1. If input value is 1, then in this case we say that 1 complement. 1 complement is 0. Therefore, we write about this part. It is a 0. Therefore, we say that into this table of this logic gate, we discuss the first gate, which is that NOT gate. It is also called as a inverter. Inverter means here low output becomes high and high output becomes low. Therefore, this is the first gate that we discuss in steps, symbol, Boolean equation as well as truth table. Okay? Now, can you understand about the first gate? Yes. Now we discuss about the second. There is the second gate. That second gate we discuss as an OR gate. Symbolically, this OR gate is represented like this. This one is curved part. This one is another section. Here, it having the two inputs, A and B. How many inputs it have? Two inputs. And only one output. Only one output. Here we represent its Boolean equation as y is equal to A or B. You cannot read it as plus sign. How we read it? A or B. A or B. Now we discuss its input and output conditions. Let's start here. Input, there are input A and second input is B. And here output is 1. Okay? Now into the input condition, there are the two inputs. inputs are 0, if both inputs are 0, that means this terminal having 0 condition and then second condition having also the 0 condition. How it works? Let's see here. Y is equal to A or B. In this way we write. Here we write here 0 or 0. In mathematics we perform 0 or 0 becomes 0. 0 or 0 becomes 0. Therefore we write here 0. In the next stage, if any one input is 1, that is if this is 0 and this is 1, at that time how we get the output? Here first condition is 0, B is 1. 0 or 1 becomes 1. Understand? As like mathematical addition operation. In mathematics we do addition. As therefore we do here addition. Therefore it is additive. It is 1. Similarly, if here it is 1 and 0, who will say the answer? 1. Okay, very good. Similarly, here it is 1, here it is 0, then output is 1. There is a next stage. In that next stage, we say that if it is 1 and another is also 1, there we say that output is also 1. This is the first input gate, which is that OR gate. In the OR gate, we discuss about these conditions. Now we have to discuss about the next gate. That gate is known as a NOT gate. AND gate, NOT gate. Next one, third. The third gate is a AND gate. Which gate? AND gate. In case of the AND gate, its symbol is like a letter D. Its symbol is like a letter D. Into this D symbol, there are the two inputs. First one is A, another one is a B. There are the two inputs, A and B. At this stage, there is only one output, is called as Y. For this, we discuss the next part. Which is the next part? Boolean equation. What is Boolean equation? Here, Y is equal to A or B. Here, A and B, it is written as or read as A and B. As like in mathematics, we perform the multiplication. Here it is also the multiplicative part. Here we write the truth table. In the truth table, there are how many inputs are there? How many inputs are there? 2. First is input A and another one is input B. And its output is 1. In this way, we have to perform its truth table. Here we write Y is equal to A and B. Y is equal to A and B. Into this Y is equal to A and B. What we discuss here? If both conditions are 0, in mathematics, what we perform? 0, multiplication 0 becomes 0. Therefore, its output is 0. Now, the second condition, if any one input is 1, that means here it is 0 and it is 1. Then 0 into 1 becomes 0 into 1 becomes 0. Very good. Then 1, 0. The first input is 1, second input is 0. 1 into 0, 0. Therefore it is 0. If both inputs are high, then output is 1 into 1 becomes 1. This one is a logic gate. This is the third kind of gate. These are the three main basic gates. Which are the main basic gates? NOT, OR and AND. Now, combining these three gates, we perform the next fourth gate. If we take this AND gate and NOT gate, there is a fourth gate. That fourth gate will be NAND. In this NAND gate, it is a combination of both these, NOT as well as AND. It is symbolically represented like this. This one is symbol of which gate? This one is symbol of AND gate. Very good. And to this AND gate, we represent a NOT gate. If we represent this symbol, circular symbol, it is called as a bubble. Or instead of this bubble, we term it as a knot. Therefore, it is also the two input terminal and output is 1. Now, we have to discuss its Boolean equation. Now, understand about this. This one is a combination of two gates. First one is AND gate and second one is a NOT gate. These two parts. Now we discuss about the Boolean equation. In Boolean equation, here y is equal to first gate. In this case, which is the first gate here? Which is the first gate? AND gate. AND gate. Therefore, we write here AND gate symbol A and B. And here, secondly, what we use here? NOT gate. Very good. If it is a NOT gate is a complement, that means inverter. Here is the inverter of it. Therefore, in this case, in the truth table, the output is invert of this table. Inversion. That is complement of this AND gate. It is complement. Then can you say input and output table? Yes. Here it is first input. If input is 0, first input is 0, second input is also 0, its output y. That is y is equal to A and B, its complement. It is 0 and 0 becomes and its complement. 0 and 0 becomes 0 and its complement means 1. Output is 1. Understand? Now there is the second gate. 0, 1 condition. Who will say? 0 and 1. Output is 0 and 1. 0 and 1 becomes 1. And 1 complement is 0. 1 complement is 0. Now we discuss the next condition. If both inputs are, if first input is 0 and other input is, if first input is 1, other input is 0. Therefore we write here 1 and 0, its complement. 1 and 0 becomes 0 and its complement. 0 complement is 1. Therefore it is the 1. Either 1 and either sudah kaya 1. Then after this, if both inputs are 1, then here 1 becomes 1 complement and 1 complement is 0. This is the truth table. This is the truth table of this gate. Remember that in this condition there is 0, 0. Its output is 0 first of all, and then its complement is 1. If both first is 0, second is 1, 0, 1 becomes 0 and its complement is 1. Similarly, 1, 0 becomes 1. If both inputs are 1, output is 0. Now can you understand about this, all these 4 gates? Now we discuss about the 5th gate. That 5th gate will be the similarity. We have to discuss about the next gate. That next gate will be 5th. Very good. NOR gate. That is, it is a combination of NOT. And second one, OR. NOT as well as OR. That means these 2 combinations we have to discuss now. Now we discuss, draw its symbol. Symbolically, it is a curve path. Another curve. Here, this one is, which kind of the gate is this? OR gate. This one is OR gate. In this OR gate, we represent here bubble. Then this is A, B, and its Y path. Here, it is also symbolically represented. This one is OR gate. Here it is a NOT gate. Okay? In this way we also represent it. Now we discuss it Boolean equation. In Boolean equation it is y is equal to A its complement, A or B its complement. Now we discuss its truth table. In the truth table, we have to discuss the inputs. How many inputs are there? 2. A and B, 2 inputs. And there is only one output. In digital electronics, there is only one output. It's called as Y. Here, its Boolean equation is Y is equal to A and